As someone who has worked with thousands of senior patients, I want to share the most important advice about maintaining dental health as you age. Keeping your smile strong is crucial not just for aesthetics, but for overall well-being. Dental health impacts nutrition, social interactions, and even self-esteem. For seniors, maintaining healthy teeth and gums can prevent discomfort and potential health issues. In this video, I'll guide you through practical steps to ensure your dental health remains a priority. Your smile deserves to shine as brightly as your wisdom and experiences. Your mouth is a complex system that deserves understanding and care. As we age, natural changes occur, such as reduced saliva production and receding gums. These changes can increase the risk of cavities and gum disease. Picture your mouth as a garden. It needs regular attention and the right conditions to thrive. Just as plants need nutrient-rich soil, your teeth need proper hygiene and care. By understanding these changes, you can tailor your oral hygiene habits to suit your needs. Remember, with informed care, you can maintain a garden of good oral health. Recognizing the signs of dental health issues is vital for timely intervention. Common symptoms include bleeding gums, persistent bad breath, loose teeth, and difficulty chewing. It's essential to differentiate between normal aging changes and potential problems. While occasional sensitivity might be harmless, consistent pain or gum issues warrant attention. Self-awareness about your oral health helps prevent minor issues from turning severe. If you notice any of these signs, consult with your dentist to address them proactively. Maintaining open communication with your healthcare provider is key to catching problems early and keeping your smile strong. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in oral health. Incorporate crunchy vegetables like carrots and celery, which naturally clean teeth while encouraging saliva production. Dairy products such as cheese and yogurt offer calcium and phosphates, strengthening tooth enamel. For meal timing, try eating smaller, more frequent meals to maintain energy and reduce acid exposure. Aim to limit sugary snacks and beverages, as they can erode enamel. Holistic nutrition not only boosts dental health, but also supports overall wellness. These dietary habits are not only beneficial, but also delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Incorporating movement into your daily routine benefits not only your body, but also your oral health. Consider joining a senior walking group or engaging in chair exercises to enhance circulation, which supports gum health. Focus on gentle activities that you enjoy to maintain motivation. These exercises help reduce inflammation, improving your overall physical health, including your dental wellness. Always listen to your body and start slowly, particularly if you're trying a new activity. Emphasize consistency over intensity to see long-term benefits for your teeth, gums, and well-being. Remember, every step forward contributes to your health. Regular dental checkups are essential for maintaining exceptional oral health. Your dentist can offer preventive care tailored to your unique needs. Regular visits help identify issues early and ensure necessary treatments are done promptly. Embrace professional guidance for cleaning, assessments, and personalized advice. During appointments, discuss any concerns or changes in your dental health. Your dentist is a crucial partner in managing the health of your teeth and gums. Remember, never hesitate to seek immediate attention for issues like severe pain or injury. Prioritizing dental checkups is investing in your lifelong health and confidence. Dental health significantly influences mental wellness and social interactions. Pain or discomfort can affect mood and social behavior. Maintaining a healthy smile boosts confidence, encouraging seniors to engage fully with family and friends. Consider joining social groups or online communities that emphasize positive well-being and dental health awareness. Foster connections that support your emotional and physical health through shared experiences and encouragement. Practice mindfulness in daily routines to reduce stress and enhance your quality of life. Remember, a strong, healthy smile is not only about physical health, but also about fostering joy and positivity. Let's summarize the crucial steps to maintaining good dental health. Understanding your oral health, recognizing signs of trouble, and maintaining a balanced diet, along with regular checkups and active lifestyles, can significantly impact your well-being. You have the power to keep smiling confidently by making small, consistent efforts. Start today by assessing your current habits, consulting with your dentist, and incorporating dental-friendly foods into your diet. Your dedication to maintaining a healthy smile ensures you continue to share that warmth and wisdom with those around you. Your journey towards better dental health is an empowering one.